Hey there, welcome to this month's product update video. My name is Remy and I will tell you about what we have been working on and what's next to come. First, our integration with Stripe is finally available. If you host paid webinars, you can now integrate Stripe for your paid webinars as a provider. This allows you to set up webinars with many different payment methods as well as different currencies. If you would like to use it, please contact our support team and they'll be happy to activate it for your account while we roll this out for everyone to use without requiring manual activation. Secondly, we're making it easier for you to publish your webinars. If you create a new webinar, you can now instantly publish it with a single button. This makes it much more easier for you to create your webinars with your copies or test webinars. And finally, we're putting on the finishing touches on our HubSpot marketing events integration. This is an addition to the HubSpot integration and allows you to seamlessly synchronize your webinars with your HubSpot marketing events, allowing you to see in HubSpot how successful your webinars have been, such as attendance rate or how many people registered to your webinar. And that's it. Finally, I would like to invite you to our product update webinar, which will be held on the 15th of June, where I'll demo some of these features and show you what else is next to come. I very much look forward to seeing you there. Stay tuned.